everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you two easy methods to delete your Gmail account. So let's get into it. Firstly, sign into the Gmail account that you want to delete. After signing in, head on over to Data and Privacy. Scroll down, select Delete a Google service. Type in your password to verify it's you. Before deleting your Gmail account, you can download your data and save this. So click the download your data option and it will take you to Google Takeout. So deselect all. Then scroll down, select mail. After, scroll down to the bottom and click next step. Now select the export frequency and the file type you want to export as. Now click create export. Here, it says the export process can take possibly hours or days to complete. So you want to wait until this process is complete before deleting your Gmail account. After saving your Gmail data, head on over back to delete a Google service and now you can click delete. If you would like to delete not only your Gmail account but also your entire Google account, head on over to Data and Privacy again, scroll down and click delete your Google account. Here, it shows all the content that will be deleted. So click the checkboxes to confirm and now click delete account. After deleting your Google account, you have the option to recover your account. Just know that this option only stays open for about 20 days. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who might need this. Also, don't forget to drop a comment below with any tips or tricks you might have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.